Hey guys, we're doing teams now for Grand Reserve Case Break today. It's 5:06:43 PM Melbourne time. Where the hell is the thing? There. Teams are live. Dice roll, participants, going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now the teams. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and why am I saying the winner? It's not the winner. Jesus. Teams complete. And this Andrew Hurley Bulls, Glenbow Nets, Adam Bartley Jazz, Joseph Wipes of the Pistons, Andrew Hurley Wolves, Wilco Clippers, Tamika Nets, Wilco Kings, Nick Powell Lakers, James Cannon Blazers, Corey Turner Raptors, Josh Hinge Sixers, Van Houten Grizz, Chris Stewart Pelicans, Raymond Dyer Rockets, Glenbow Heat, Cannon Celtics, Corey Turner Bucks, Matt Druitt Mavericks, Paul Kirchner Hornets, Michael Paul with the Suns, Lane Thunder, Dean Millis with Hawks, Lee with Cavs, Bartley with Warriors, Paul Johnson with the Nuggets, Tampon Jr. with Wizards, Dale with Pacers and the Spurs, and Van Houten with the Magic. And, yeah, that's the teams.